To a primetime news follow-up now. Plans are far advancing for the Heidel High School to merge with the Cumberland High School in St. Catherine. This follows a recent announcement that the Heidel High School will be shuttered at the end of this academic year due to a myriad of financial challenges. But how do parents, staff and other stakeholders feel about this move? Dozens of parents leaving an emergency meeting at the Cumberland High School in Portmore, St. Catherine on Thursday. Come September, there will be major changes at the institution as plans are underway to merge the Heidel High School with Cumberland. The parents here declined to speak with our news team on camera, but many say they are highly anticipating the merger. However, we spoke with a past student of the Cumberland High School.
I feel excited because to me, it's a brand new start for both schools, and there's a lot there that all students can achieve and learn from each other.
There are 670 students enrolled at the Heidel High School and 425 at Cumberland High. And the Portmore-based high school has the capacity to hold 1,000 students, which is why it is being considered as a feasible option. On top of that, the Heidel High School has been making significant strides at the annual Boys and Girls Athletics Championships each year, so stakeholders at Cumberland said the merger will be beneficial.
Heidel have a great sports background, for example. Cumberland now, when it comes to sports, it's not that high, so they can also learn from Heidel students when it comes to sports to go worldwide, bring the school name above averages and stuff like that.
We were also informed that come next week, all the furniture at the Heidel High School will be moved to Cumberland. All teachers and ancillary staff from the Ferry-based school will also be transferred to Cumberland with no risk of losing their seniority. When the merger is finalized, there will also be 2 vice principals at the school. As for the principal of the Heidel High School, Dr. Walton Small, TVJ News understands that his contract will expire at the end of the school year and he has no intention of renewing it. Now, the Heidel group of schools has been struggling financially since 2022. This was Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon on June 22.
The ministry has been looking at a merger of the 2 schools and having one plant. And that is what we are in the process of working through. But we always do these things with consultation, with the teachers, and also with the community, with the parents. So